Hello, this is Yunus Ali from edgepro.org. This is the sixth tutorial for complete beginners in programming core Java. In our last tutorial, we have looked at strings working with text. And in this tutorial, we are going to look at loops. I am using NetBeans IDE as usual, and I am going to new Java project. For creating a new project, file, new project, select Java application, and next we have to give a name here, project name. I am giving it as tutorial 3, and be sure this checkbox is checked for creating main class. Okay, I am giving it a name for my class as application. Okay, click finish. Now you can see we have created a project tutorial 3 with class application.java. I am going to remove all these comments which are not necessary. Okay, this is our application class and this is our main method. Okay, now so in our fourth tutorial we saw the Boolean type which can be used to store a true or false value. Okay, let me create a Boolean type. I will call it a name as loop, Boolean loop is equal to true. Okay, I am giving, you can give any name. Now I am going to output this system.out.println loop. Okay. Now let us run this program. See our output, we are getting it as true. Okay. Now as a result, now what I can also do is, suppose we can set up here the value also, like Boolean loop is equal to, instead of true we can give some condition like 4 less than 5 also. Okay, if we run this program now, the expression returns true since 4 is actually less than 5. In this way also we can express our Boolean method, that is true or false. If I say 6 is greater than 9, 6 greater than 9, it is obviously not. If I run this program now, we get false. Okay, so this is a greater than symbol, and this is a less than symbol. Okay, now I can also use a variable in here. I can say, suppose int value is equal to 10, right? Boolean loop value less than 20, so I'm giving value less than 20. Okay, small letter v. int value is equal to 10. Now Boolean loop value is equal to less than 20. So loop is set to true now because initial value is 10 and which is less than 20. So when I run this program, you can see we are getting output as true. Now we can use this to control a loop. Okay, and to create a loop in Java, integer value is equal to 10, Boolean loop value is less than 20. I could type a while statement. So for example, integer value, I will change some values here. Let us start with initial value 0. Now I am going to give a while statement. I am removing this. Okay, while I am giving a value is less than 10. I am giving a condition here, while when this condition is true, then what else is needed? I want to execute this query. Okay, system dot out dot print ln semicolon in between, okay, so in between in quotation marks I am giving hello. Okay. Now if I run this program, it is just an infinite loop which never stops. See, let us run this program. So it will not stop at all. It is an infinite loop. Okay, what I can do to make this more interesting is I am going to add something, hello plus value that is value itself value, and if I run this program now, see I have given value and I am adding one more statement, while value is equal to 10, we are printing this statement hello. Now I am adding a value here, value is equal to value plus 1 in order to stop that continuous loop. Okay, now when I run this program, see it is displaying hello 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 times. Okay, what is actually happening is what's happening is it start with value 0. It started with value 0, so value less than 10 is true, so the loop starts executing this value. Okay, we output some text hello. When this value is true, we are outputting some text hello here, and we say whatever value is there, add 1 to it. What we are doing is just we are giving a value plus 1, so whatever the value we have initialized, we are adding 1 to it each time. Okay, and store it back to value. We are adding 1 to the initialized value and storing back to that value itself, so the value is going to increase from 0 1 2 3 4 5 etc, and eventually it will equal to 10 it will come to 10, and when it is equal to 10, this condition is no longer true and the loop stops. If I run this, we get 10 hellos. See here, 10 hellos. Okay, and just to make it clear, I will change the output statement a bit here. Now I am just adding plus value itself here, so it will display the number of hellos. Okay, if I run that, so you can see what we get here now. Debug file. Okay, you can see here, run the file, we are getting our output 0 1 2 3 4. I am giving a bit of space here, and again I will run this application. See, we are getting the values from 0 to 10. Okay, that is, this hello is outputted 10 times. The code which you want to repeatedly execute goes in between curly brackets. See, this is the while statement. In between while statement, we have given a condition here, and whatever we want to run this in between, this condition should be executed in between these curly brackets. Okay, so that's all in this tutorial, and in next tutorial we are going to look at some for looking at for loops. Okay, happy coding. Follow my tutorials on hpro.org to learn more. Thank you.